Recessions are no one's friend. They can be really nasty to the economy and to your personal finance. Additionally, regardless of whether or not you feel it, recessions affect everyone. But don't hit that panic button just yet, because there are many ways to make money during a recession, and I'm going to show you how. Welcome to Biz Nest. Be sure to smash that like button and not that panic button, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I truly appreciate your support. Also, hit that bell icon so you'll be notified to get more videos like these. Let me know in the comments below if you've lived through a recession and what changes or recommendations would you like to share with your fellow viewers. Now let's get started. With the pandemic still lingering around after 2 years, the current war between Russia and Ukraine, and the global economic decline, it's not hard to see that a recession is within sight. Former Vice Chairman of the Federal Reserve 𝗗𝗚𝗦𝗡𝗥 claims that a recession is pretty likely to occur, maybe not this year, but the following years to come. With that in mind, what can people like you do during a recession in order to earn money? Don't you worry, because here are a few tips and tricks on how you can earn money during a recession. So what can you do to earn during a recession? For people who have stocks, do not quit entirely. Despite the current downward slide in the stock market, it's actually better to relocate your assets in a sector that would still do well despite a recession. These safe haven sectors include healthcare, energy, communication, and information technology, among many others. Take your time to study and review these safe stocks and sectors before fully committing to them. But there's always money to be made in the stock market, even during a recession. Another larger scale option is to invest in real estate. While homeowners recently were having trouble purchasing a home the past couple of years because of ridiculous home prices, the next few years could be the best time to buy, as more homes will hit the market for sale. With a recession, the rate of unemployment goes up, and unfortunately, people won't be able to keep up with their mortgage and will sell their homes. But if you actually just have enough to make a small down payment and purchase a house during a recession, it's actually one of the smartest, big decisions you can make because of appreciation. Just like the stock market, home prices have always appreciated and have stood the test of time. You can even purchase a small fixer-upper and rent it out to people, or even use sites like Airbnb. For smaller scale ways to make money during a recession, starting a traditional business is actually pretty difficult to do in a recession. I'm talking about a new restaurant or any business that requires upfront costs for overhead, rental space, and equipment. However, if we can learn from the COVID recession this past year, we know that having an online business or a part-time gig on the internet can be one of the best ways to earn money during a recession. Creating content online is not a new concept, but it's become one of the best ways and easiest ways the average person can make money. Here are some online businesses for consideration. There's online food delivery service, online babysitting service, online tutoring, home workout videos, and selling or flipping products on Amazon or Etsy. These are just a few, but the beauty of having an online presence is, there are unlimited ways to maximize products and services people are looking for. Why not monetize it and see if you can make some cash while you're at it? Find a topic or interest you love and see how you can monetize it online. Why not create a YouTube channel, or have a service that fills people's needs? With the power of the internet, the biggest expense in running a small or online gig is overhead, and that cost is eliminated if you utilize the space in your room or home. You can begin looking for opportunities that align with your skills and values in job hunting websites such as Upwork, or visit freelance sites such as Fiverr where you can offer your services. During a recession, people sometimes get laid off and may not have a job for a while. I would turn this into a positive, because now it frees up your time to invest in yourself. If you ever wanted to learn a new skill or get a degree or certification, now is the perfect time to do it. Many huge companies like Walmart and Starbucks even offer partial or full costs of tuition. Learn how to code, get that master's degree you've always dreamed of, or just get more educated about personal finance and in yourself. Recessions, although bad, can be a gold mine of an opportunity. All you have to do is take the initiative, invest in yourself, and with some hard work, you'll make some cash in the future, and even start a new, more fulfilling career while you're at it. It's only normal to fear recessions. Time and time again, we've seen what a recession does to a nation, and it's not pretty, but you can shield yourself from the crippling financial effects of a recession by being prepared and knowing how you can earn money during one. Are any of these tips and tricks going to end up in your to-do list? What other things can people do in order to fight off the effects of a recession? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you, and until next time.